Dave here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the master cylinder in a Coleman UT400. I haven't done it before on this machine. I have done it on cars. So I'd recommend watching the whole video if you're going to actually do this, just in case I make some mistakes as I'm going. I'll correct them as I see fit. I failed to mention before that I had already removed the plate that would have enclosed this area. There's 4 screws on the corners. They're Phillips heads. I had removed it a while back. As you can see, this is where the plunger type mechanism for the master cylinder would tie into the brake pedal, and the piston or whatever it is stuck way up at the top. There's no pedal, nothing. The first thing I'm going to do is spray the old penetrating oil on the 2 bolts that it's hold it in up near the base, and then come around here and spray that top one and the very bottom one. Okay, using that 13mm socket, I got the top one off, and then you want to do the third one. Is the one you need to loosen up. The bottom one and then the second one down are the return lines going to the reservoir. I'm just thinking I'm not even going to break those connections. If there's a problem, I'll just cut the hose and pull it out. They were on there pretty tight. Be honest with you, I was using my 3/8 drive, and I had to put this piece of pipe on it. Kind of difficult to get leverage on it, but they were tight. So, and I just loosened them up. But it would be it's much easier, I think, to break them loose while it's still bolted to the machine. Okay, now I'm going to remove these 2 bolts. I see that module fell off. I'll fix that later. 8mm. Just use the old Milwaukee with the 8mm bit on the end and take those screws out. Okay, that was easy enough. Now this is just kind of hanging here. Now I'm going to remove these 2 bolts that are holding it in. Seems to be 13mm. They're a little loose on there, but it should work. All right, I got the nuts off of those connectors there. The next step is going to be to go ahead and unhook these lines. When you unhook the lines and you take that bolt out, there is a washer. That washer goes in between the line going to the master cylinder, and then the bolt goes in here. Now that everything is unhooked, you just want to pull out the master cylinder and the reservoir. You're gonna have to finagle it around and just get it out. Here we go, it's out. All right, so here's the new master cylinder. I just installed the little clip thing with the lock nut on top or whatever. I'm not sure why you need that. It can't turn once you hook it to the brake pedal, but whatever. Take a note. There's plastic seals over the holes where the lines go. Also, with mine, it did come with a little baggie, a hardware baggie, and it comes with the new copper washers and the bolts needed to connect the lines to the master cylinder. So the first thing I'm going to do is just install this part into the machine, and then I will come back and hook up the lines. I just noticed that this plate here on the bottom, there's still one here on the machine. So I'm just going to remove these 2 bolts and remove that whole plate. You can see it's kind of crappy in there. Oh, and that also holds, that's what holds this mechanism in there. So you pretty much have to remove that plate. I got the new piece set in there now. Incidentally, this bolt, when I took it out, the threaded part, like a nut, is welded underneath here. On that far side, I don't know if it had it or not, but whatever was there fell off and I lost it. Fortunately, the nut that came off of the old bolt here that held the master cylinder in is the same as the bolt going through there, so I'll just put the nut on the bottom side of that and it'll be okay. All right, I got the nuts on here, tighten them down. Just remember when you're tightening them, just tighten them as a, back and forth, back and forth. Don't tighten one all the way down and then try to bring this one down. You don't want to risk breaking one of the ears off. Snug one down, snug the next one down, and just alternate it. Using a 3/8 ratchet, I just tighten them. I don't know how many torque pounds it is. You don't need to worry about that. Just tighten them down. I'm going to hook the lines up next. I'm going to start with that one that's third down. Remember those plastic things were in the hole, so make sure and remove them. Put the bolt, then the line, and then the new copper washer in between the line and the master cylinder. All right, I got the lines reinstalled. Just remember, these were pretty tight. So I tightened them down pretty good, but don't overdo it. If you break the bolt or strip out the housing, you're fucked. You can always go back and tighten it more if you see any leaks around this area. Next, I'm going to install this brake reservoir. Remember, it goes under the bracket and the screws will go into it, and you should have the two modules. In my case, one of mine were broke, so I'll just hook this one up for now. All right, I got the reservoir mounted, I got the cap off. That module that fell off, I just zip tied it to the frame. The manual called for using a .4 non-silicone base brake fluid. So I'm just gonna top it off real quick. I got that pin installed. I didn't put the Carter pin in there. It's probably going to need to be adjusted. I just want to get it hooked up to the pedal. All right, now we're in the machine. The pedal is sitting kind of high. Don't worry about that. We can adjust that later. What you want to do is just push it very short strokes. Let it pump up. In my case, all my brake pads are brand new. So my calipers are really opened up pretty far, so you might not have to do all this. All right, let's take it for a little test drive. Pedal feels really good. Well, that concludes all you need to do to change out the master cylinder on this machine. I rated this being a pretty easy job. I did not have to even bleed the brakes, and they work fantastic. In the future, I might make a video on how to bleed the brakes, but I'm not going to do it right now. Thanks for watching.